Hello everyone, this is Sangram Rajput and today I welcome you to the information journey of App Update. Alright, so today we're going to talk about WhatsApp. Yes, WhatsApp, the instant messaging service that we are using into our phone on daily basis to communicate via chat, to send our photos, sharing videos and many of the other data formats. Now, you must be thinking, why WhatsApp? Like, we all know everything about WhatsApp, but there are many other information that would help you out, say in case if you're not aware, and it said the gathering information is gathering a valuable asset. So moving forward to the topic, now WhatsApp, it was founded in 2009 by Brian Acton. Yes, it was founded by Brian Acton and Jen Koum. Now, Jen Koum and Brian Acton founded these services to make sure to communicate with and put it on Play Stores and everything, just to be sure that, a normal communication can happen. But the app was so good, it has the potential to go ahead into the market and spread like anything else. And the best part is, this app was so good that Mark Zuckerberg, the CEO and founder of Facebook thought that they are going to invest into this. They are going to acquire WhatsApp because that is going to be one of the most usable application entire globe. And as we all know, whenever a social thing comes in, alright, and if it becomes a big player, Facebook go. After 2014, this app was acquired. Also, WhatsApp was acquired by Facebook. Now, the best part is WhatsApp supports all kind of devices, whether you're using Android or you're using an iOS or if it's a Windows. The best thing is it is used by all the devices, all right? So it's nothing like if you are still using a Windows phone, or if you're planning to go ahead with a Windows phone, you cannot use WhatsApp. You can use it. It is available for all the three formats. Moving forward, Facebook thought that they should also go ahead and plan for a standalone app as similar to WhatsApp, because it should not be like they have only acquired it. There should be some changes which have been made into this. Now, what changes they have made? In 2018, WhatsApp has bring their own standalone application for small and medium businesses, which is also being used by many of the other businesses. That was known as WhatsApp Business. Now, what is WhatsApp Business? I'll give you a very short description. WhatsApp Business is a platform which is also similar to WhatsApp, used for chat and communication, but they also have some unique feature which you can use, like preparing your catalog into it, or sending someone quotation, or if you're planning to set up your own business profile, something like that, or especially for business communication, this application is being used. So friends, that's all for the day, and thank you very much for being a part of the journey. Stay tuned, stay updated. Please make sure that you subscribe and press the bell icons to have the notification. In the upcoming series, we will be having a complete video sessions wherein you would be finding out. We will have a unique video for unique features, how you can download, how you can install, and how you can utilize the features. Thank you very much. You have a lovely day ahead. See ya.